Right now I'm sitting in this adorable black kitchen nook from Linon Home Decor. This is the Sadie Antique Black Kitchen Nook. All right, I'll give you a closer look. So this nook is configurable to your space. So if you have the opposite setup where you need the long piece on the other end, you can set it up that way. Now this is a different table than what comes with it, but this bench seat is really what it's all about. With these cushions and the little corner shelf there to add some perfectly fitting farmhouse kitchen decor, a perfectly sleek bench seat kitchen nook in a modern farmhouse style kitchen is just chef's kiss, bee's knees, perfect in this space, and it might look perfect in yours. Just to give you an idea of some of the detailing on this, is a nice solid wood right here. It does have this nice batten and these other supports on either side of the corner there. This is a nice distressed look to the wood all the way around. I love the look of the stained wood on top of the black mat. It just looks so sleek. There it is, Linon Home Decor's Sadie Antique Kitchen Nook in black. Hope that was helpful.